As Golden Party of Zambia, we would like to recognize the importance of vaccines in the development of the health of the human being. Vaccines are proved to be very effective in treating the virus pandemics that we have had. We also want to recognize that the coronavirus has wreaked havoc in our communities, in our societies. We've had families that have lost breadwinners. Families have lost their beloved. Church services as well as social gatherings have been disrupted because of the coronavirus. We've also noticed on the economic front where businesses have lost jobs. Businesses have closed and people have lost jobs rather. So we recognize the urgency of sorting out the pandemic in terms of coronavirus. We recognize that. However, when you look at what is happening in the world right now, there are a lot of concerns from our people, not only the Zambian people, but people across the nations of the world. I would like to call upon government that when the vaccine comes into the country, before it is administered to the Zambian people, there should be an appointment of a high-level experts from the medical field so that they can be able to provide input. And I believe that is what is going to settle most of the Zambian people. Our population, our people are apprehensive. It is the role of government to come and assure the people of Zambia that indeed the vaccines that are coming into the country are safe. And there is no better way to do that rather than appointing our own people. And I want to say this, that Zambia has got the most qualified medical doctors in Africa. And I know that they are more than capable to decipher the vaccines and render their input that indeed this is correct. And this is just normal because Australia did the same thing. Australia has got superior medical facilities than Zambia. They did their own trials and they were not comfortable with certain things. So they cancelled the order of the vaccines. What I am saying is that can we rest our people? It is the responsibility of the leaders to rest, to come and to assure our people that this vaccine they are taking has got no repercussions in the long term. Otherwise, it's a major breakthrough in the medical field. And of course, the least we can do, since we are not the ones who developed the vaccine, is for us to compare notes. Perhaps our experts, our scientists, should compare notes with our colleagues also in Australia. What did they find? We can start from there. What made them uncomfortable? Does it apply to the Zambian situation? Is it safe for us to give this vaccine to the Zambian people? Really, for us, we feel that it is a victory for medicine that we have with the vaccine, but we must be able to have our Zambian input. And irregardless, if devoid of that input from the Zambian people, if we do not have the apparatus, if we do not have the people to look into it, our simple suggestion is that it is better we reconsider bringing that vaccine until such a time when the world is certain that indeed the vaccine is safe. I thank you.